Hello everyone, today we are going to find out what is the value of square root of 87 plus square root of 29 divided by square root of 87 minus square root of 29. Let's see how to solve this. Square root of 87 is equals to square root 3 multiply 29 plus square root of 29 divided by square root of 3 multiply 29 minus square root of 29, which is equals to square root of 3 multiply square root of 29 plus square root of 29 divided by square root of 3 multiply square root of 29 minus square root of 29. Here we can take square root of 29 as common, so it will become square root of 29 bracket square root of 3 plus 1 divided by square root of 29 bracket square root of 3 minus 1. So here square root of 29 is cancelled out. So this expression simplified to square root of 3 plus 1 divided by square root of 3 minus 1. Now we are going to rationalize this expression by multiplying square root of 3 plus 1 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So it will simplify to square root of 3 plus 1 square divided by square root of 3 square minus 1 square, which is equals to square root of 3 square plus 1 plus 2 multiply square root of 3 divided by 3 minus 1, which is further equals to 3 plus 1 plus 2 multiply square root of 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So it is equals to 4 plus 2 multiply square root of 3 divided by 2, or this is equals to 2 plus square root of 3. So this is our answer.